It's a super windy day today, so I thought this was a good opportunity to just stop by and give you guys a little reminder that can really, really save you. So, what I'm referring to is the wind and camping and picking a good campsite and actually looking up and observing and evaluating your campsite, especially for those of you that are hammock campers. Guys, literally 5 minutes and analyzing your campsite could save your life. So check out this list, pause it, screenshot it, send it to a friend. Say, hey, just take 5 minutes. It really could save your life. Thank you for watching.